me to be cautious. People tell me not to lose my self-control. People tell me to be flawless. People tell me not to let myself evolve. And I think I don't really get it. I think it's all just a peculiar game. And soon I'll wake up and I'll forget it. And everyone will know me by a different name. I want it to be stronger. I want it to be everything for you. If I could be stronger, would you believe that I could love you like you want me to? Gotta be stronger for you.
Love me like you want me to.
Gotta be stronger for you.
Love me like you want me to.
I held my breath every time. I tried to keep myself dry, but did I ask too much? If I could do it again, would you believe what I said? That I still want that rush. And I think I don't really get it. I think it's all just a peculiar game. And soon I'll wake up and I'll forget it.
Was a small group conference. Here there was focus, there was small group learning, there was a lot of interaction, and you managed to hear the world experts at close proximity and interact with them and ask them questions.
It's interesting for young researchers that can share their research projects and results and maybe have the feedback of more experienced clinicians and researchers.
Selected in the Rising Star program, and I find it a very wonderful opportunity to boost your career and to find networking within the other speakers in the conference as well as other attendees in the conference.
I have been invited to take part to the mentoring program, where two respiratory medicine experts, Professor James Chalmers and Professor Stefano Aliberti, have been guiding us through all this international workshop, and they taught us how to retain the most important take-home messages during all the conference.
The meeting this time in Berlin has been absolutely amazing. We have heard a lot of things about personalized medicine across various specialties, things which are useful in my clinical practice, things that I will be able to apply when I go back and practice in India.